Hello and welcome to my channel. So on my last video I just received a comment from somebody if the xTool F1 Ultra could cut thin aluminium like a can, and it just gave me an idea. So I'm gonna try and cut out some earrings out of a zero Coke can, and we'll see, and then I can reply to that person's comment to say either yes or no. I'm guessing it's going to be a yes. But yeah, I thought it was going to be a cool craft to do. So let's just come up with something. Let's see how it goes. But first we need a can. And we need to empty the can. Which honestly is going to be easy because I love Coke. Coke Zero, that is. Nice. I only drink it occasionally now. All right, we finished. I actually thought that I could just cut out something like a design from the actual can. Maybe I will reuse the zero sugar because I'm trying to be on keto. So I could do like something with that. That would be cool. Maybe recycle me. That's cool as well. Nice to see you. Let's do this again. Maybe not. Kind of weird. No calories. I don't know, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this space, which is without any writing, and I'm gonna try and cut out 2 roses, and I'm gonna make them into earrings somehow. I don't know how. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Now we're gonna move the red dot to match the blue dot. So I have just downloaded this from Canva. It's a JPEG, and we're going to click on it and trace the image and save. Next, I'm going to pick up this SVG file and I'm going to get rid of the JPEG. I will also ungroup this group because I've got this little flower that I don't want. And I'm going to hit engrave. Now, I'm not going to bother with the settings just yet. We need to do an offset on this. So I'm going to hit offset. And you can see it automatically went for the 2 millimeters. But you can see that it offset the whole image. And that's what we want. But it also made little offsets, like cutouts, in the rows inside, like on the petals and stuff, which is something we don't want. Yeah, I don't really want the inner offset. So I only want an outline around it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for, I don't know, let's see, 4 millimeters of offset. And that will do. So confirm. So I'm just gonna click on the offset layer and I'm gonna release the compound. I'm pretty sure that's what it says. And now I can pick up whatever I want and delete it. And so that's what I'm going to do. So I want to get rid of that and this and this. So I think I got all of the ones I don't want. I think I might just make it a bit smaller. Both my image and the offset is centered. That's how I know that everything is aligned. And here we go. Wow. So I just found out that you can actually delete them really easily. So basically what I did is I added the settings for the engrave, and then I clicked on this outside offset like this. So now you can see that I have the cut selected, I have the engrave selected, and anything else I don't want anyway. So if I click on this, I can delete them. and I don't need to delete them like one by one. Oh, it didn't work. Interesting. Interesting. Okay, it's probably the curve. Here we go, moment of truth. Okay, now I completely understand what's going on. It's because I forgot to select 3 passes and instead I left it at 1. And I think I like tried to press it down, so maybe that's when the tin moved a little bit, or a can. So you can see that it's like half cut, but here you can see the cut lines and they are more like engraved. But obviously this didn't work. It's my fault, but that's fine. That's how we learn. Look at these little hearts. But we have learned a lot in this video. Focus it differently or use a rotary. That's another option. And then it can just rotate and cut and engrave. But if you have like smaller designs or a design which will fit into kind of this sort of area where it's not too low on the curve, it will be fine. And these are the little rose cutouts. I think it did a very good job. One, here is another one. So if you are gonna make anything like this, don't forget it's gonna be very sharp. So you will need sandpaper or some files to file it. You know, the edges. And also, look, it's really kind of flimsy. It's really thin, obviously. That's why it was cutting out so well and so fast. So yes, that was a cool little experiment where I learned new things about xTool Creative Space and also cutting cans. Always a good thing to know. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with these little fellas. Like I said, they are quite flimsy. I could use the offset shape and cut out a backing for it. I have aluminium business cards. That would be cool. Or I could cut it out in wood, like a 2mm plywood or something, and stick it on there. There are lots of things I could do with this little fella. I'm probably not going to do anything now, but if I do, I will insert the clips here. I would like to say thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. I don't know which one it's gonna be, but I'm sure it's gonna be educational again, at least for myself. I always learn something new when I make things on the xTool machines and in the xTool creative space, and that's brilliant. Well done me. So if you have enjoyed this video and would like to watch more of them, then hit subscribe and turn on your notifications to know when I'm uploading new videos. And I will see you next time. It was really nice to see you. Have a beautiful day and see you later. Bye.